Aki Mish nitumie. So we post TikTok. Mimi nataka post Instagram. Those are two different platforms and that's my image too.
We're going to do this one also.
Okay. What would you ladies
First send me your
set it,
email.
please.
Val, it's original content, okay? There's no reposting of people's come up with your own content.
Sawa.
I'll have the strawberry soda.
Ataweza tafuta mtu wa kufanya na yeye.
Saki. Wakata TikTok na mimi.
Imagine this
I'll have the strawberry soda.
So this is the TikTok.
You should get the orange soda. It's amazing.
Basi ungefanya hiyo ni content on your side.
Orange soda, please.
Muongeleshe mfanye.
Get the orange soda.
Aki Mish, come tufanye.
I'll tell you.
Mish, come
Excuse me,
tufanye.
excuse me.
Ian anajua.
Mnajua, I'm the talent in this house. Sijui mbona mna act like.
Talent.
Basi tufanye na simu yangu.